an off-road guy now, huh?
Am I?
You spend 1 week in the desert and... you gonna let him do that to you?
Is that what I gotta do?
You gonna let him flat bill you like that?
You gotta get the duck bill on there.
We're all flat.
I got the man. This is street cars.
That is
car bend.
actually, yeah. That's baseball fit.
Well, let's be honest. If you're like a grip car guy, you'd have to be like, you know, like super dad spec hat,
and some khaki shorts and some New Balances, and you're good to go grip racing.
Yeah, make fun of everyone, including my own people. That's all right.
What's up, man? How you doing? Introduce yourself.
Glad you brought. Thank you. I'm Danny. This is my red truck.
Representing Terra Crew, I assume.
I am.
Let's go check out this thing, man. Let's go check this thing out. What are we working with?
It's a 2004 Silverado, cage, back half length, and has
let's just go look at the cage.
parts on the front. This is
whoa! Whoa!
Baby cage.
Yeah, everyone comes for the ride,
That's
huh?
right.
That's
Whole
what
family gets in.
Honestly, that's one of my favorite things about off-road guys is you don't leave the kids out. You
No.
guys, the kids are coming hucking.
Also,
they have to.
They do it right because, like, you know, they do the whole cage, race seats, but they got like a radio, roll bar mounted speakers, like, you know,
and these crazy roof bars that they do. I guess you need this for the rollovers, huh?
Yeah, which we try to avoid, but
It
better
happens.
safe than sorry.
yeah,
Exactly,
for sure.
Exactly.
How often do you take your kid out?
In the summer, not so much because I don't have the AC in here right now.
Right.
But in the winter, yeah, I mean, shoot, I'll take my daughter to school in it.
Nice.
You know?
Is this?
what's this thing? Yeah, what's this thing built for?
Yeah.
Street truck?
Do everything.
Yeah.
I can take it from my house, drive down the street legal, so I can drive it up the mountains,
Sick.
drive it out to Lucerne, Glamis, Pismo, wherever.
That's another one of my
Go
favorite
clear out
things
some
about
races,
these is
stuff like that.
they're always street legal.
Yeah.
You guys always make them street
It
legal.
has to be. If you have to load it on a trailer to do anything with it.
Right. I just love the fronts of these things because the wide fender. I'm a fan of wide fenders and it looks tough. What fenders are they?
Animate makes these fenders and the bed sides. But very soon this is all going away and getting changed.
You brought this truck to us too soon?
Yeah, unfortunately.
This is different, right? Because this is an I-beam truck.
Yes, this is a 100%.
It's not an A-arm.
Standard Chevy parts.
Okay, sweet.
So I-beam is basically the exact opposite of A-arms, which is what would come factory on the truck.
Longer arm, more travel.
Correct. You're kind of limited with the bolt-on long travel kit, and you're limited to stock steering.
Right.
Stock steering components being the stock rack, which on these trucks do not survive.
So that's steering box type junk, right?
Well, it's actually a steering rack.
Oh, it is a rack. Oh, okay.
And you put a bigger tire on it, and they'll fall apart.
Okay.
So this uses a steering box that's ported and also has a ram. So for a ram assist, it's up right there.
Okay.
A nice rusty looking thing with no coating on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, looking good.
Right there.
Yeah. So basically, this steering is bulletproof.
Going through whoops at like 50 miles an hour, you don't really want your steering to break, right?
No.
Hey, tell us about this shock setup. Jesus shit.
All the big parts on this truck are like recycled old trophy truck parts.
I respect that.
They're all used parts. The shocks, the bypasses are Fox 4.4, 5.2 bypasses all the way around, so big.
Super big, yeah.
They look big.
They work better that way. So
It's a lot of stuff down there. Like that looks like enough suspension to power my entire car. That is
straight up.
What do we got motor wise?
it is a L9H.
Who?
L9H is a 6.2 truck motor.
That's what I was gonna guess.
Yeah, it's a truck.
Okay, cool.
LM7 is 5.3, LQ9 is 6.0.
Yeah.
Can we take a peek?
Yeah. I gave up and there's no hood props.
Oh, this is cool though. So now you can see all the goods in here.
This is actually a recycled from my Super Duty.
All
I had
right.
extra K&N like flat filter, so I just built a little housing for it.
Nice. What's going on here? What is
This
this?
is trying to hide some ugly factory wiring and fuse panel.
Well, I'm sure it also protects it from getting pelted by rocks and stuff on the bottom
So,
side.
Being stock harness and everything, I'm restricted to where I can move
Right.
anything in here. So stock form, the Silverado's fuse panel and everything is right here.
Yep, and get your computer mounted up on your strut. Your
Yeah.
strut bar? Is that a strut bar? I don't know what you call that.
Just a cross member.
cross member up top.
Holds everything
Can I
together.
ask you how much you paid for the L9H?
So the L9H had like 60,000 miles on it. Paid complete, like it was like $5,000.
I mean, that's a great motor for $5,000.
Unfortunately, yes.
Yeah, that's a great motor for $5,000. You throw it in, you ain't gonna have any issues.
So is this thing all stock?
Everything but a cam. And even the cam is
Simple.
like, it's a stock Corvette cam.
Yeah.
It's an LS9 cam that's in there.
Oh, hell yeah.
So,
So-
it probably makes like 450.
Yeah. I took it to West Tech. We dynoed it. Dynoed a 343 to the
Look at
tires.
these big old tires.
330, 37s?
These are 40s.
40s, jeez.
You jump this thing pretty far all the time, or?
Yeah.
I make music for the ones who stay true. That's what I do.
Just sending. Just straight sending.
No, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Off-road scares me.
Hell yeah. Let's go check out the back.
All right.
I love the fiberglass bedsides too. Just like that wide body theme throughout.
It's so cool. These things are awesome.
God, look at
And
these bypasses, man. They're so straight up
Yeah,
getting
they're
blinded by the tin work back here.
Yeah,
Dying.
I had powder coated that guy.
What about the bed cage?
The rear back half and the interior cage was done by a shop, 454 Motorsports. They're up in Northern California somewhere,
454,
far
yeah.
away. Yeah, and anything else, the front end and stuff, I did at home.
Did these shocks or bypasses come off anyone's special's truck or anything
I
notable?
was told they came from Canada's race team.
What do you got for a rear end in this thing?
It's a Tube Works fabricated housing. Has 40 spline axles and a 10-inch 567 gear.
Nice. You got some
G-bar
big old
brakes.
brakes. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
What's the benefit of running 40-inch tire?
Bigger tires make smaller holes.
So when you're digging through the dirt,
Just big whoops and big bumps. I mean, the larger the tire diameter, the
more ground it covers these days.
Are 40s like the standard nowadays? Because I know, like, you know, it was 35s and then it was 37s and now.
it's going that way.
And what do trophy trucks run? 44s or are they 40s? So these are like.
A lot of trucks still run 39s, and a lot of them are also now ditching the 39s and going 40s.
Right.
Man, 40 is so big.
A normal 39-inch like BFG is a 13.5 wide, these are 12.5.
So a little narrower but a little taller.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, hell, I'm interested to see what type of suspension work this thing does.
All I know is he's wearing a Terra Crew shirt, so he's gonna do Terra
He knows
Crew
that's going to
things.
be sent. Where's
Yeah.
Nelson?
Oh, Nelson's doing preview.
Wait, where the hell are our ramps?
Over there.
Oh, cool. And there's someone on a forklift. Hang tight while we set up some ramps.
Well,
Wait, I didn't even ask him if he was going to jump it,
You ready
but
to party with this thing? I think
Yeah.
It'll basically be your playground.
Burnouts. I brought some roached out tires. So I can
Oh,
A little
sick.
bit of all of that. Just
Yeah.
A little bit of all of
yeah,
that.
not
Sound
this
good?
is an end, not or situation,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Doesn't
Why
look
don't we
good.
just make him throw down some combos, like a really sick, smoky sitter, walk it, and then jump the ramp?
Let's get him on it.
Like,
He's having a little fun right now. He's warming up. It stops on a damn dime.
that's a big brakes.
Hey, those brakes work real good. Those-
I just wanted to make sure I had enough room to get a run.
you got some run up. So what are you thinking?
How can you do burnouts to this thing? Do they just do sitters? Your rear brake looks like it locks up.
It has so much rear brake bias, and I haven't put an adjuster in it. Like I have to nose up to something. To do
Oh, okay.
a burnout, which I'm totally fine with.
So then let's turn the ramp around, have you jump, and then just nose it right into the container.
Yeah. Jump.
So we'll turn the ramp so you jump this way,
you like what you did here.
and then nose it into the container and just go right into a burnout.
Oh, like go right into the container.
Yeah,
Huge burnout.
yeah,
Don't like-
yeah. All right, so we decided to switch it up a little bit. Flip the ramp around. He's gonna jump towards the container, and you'll see what happens next. God dang! Yeah, boy! That's how Terra Crew gets it down, huh?
That's right.
I'm willing to bet there's a
How's the
6-inch hole there.
There
And
might be. A little gummy.
that's definitely gonna catch on fire.
Oh yeah.
Dang, man, this truck is dope, dude.
Thank you.
How much are each one of these tires? Like 800 bucks?
New, yes, but I get them used because I'm cheap. So.
And he said these were burners anyway, so
Big.
he came here just for that.
That's gonna catch on fire.
Yeah.
You should move your truck.
Okay.
Check out the damage. Yeah, he literally turned it into fresh concrete.
Shoe ruiners.
Yeah, that jerk. Hey, Kakawa. Oh yeah, you basically made it new concrete. It's all
Perfect.
yeah, nice work. Kakawa, you gonna wrap it? You gonna wrap it? Come on, wrap it.
Oh, wrap.
What'd you think of that though?
It stinks.
You stink.
It does smell.
You stink, Kakawa.
It smells.
Your attitude lately has been trash. Trash.
What? You're trash?
Man, your dirty ass shirt. Look at
I
Kakawa.
know.
Kakawa's old peasant ass came to work dirty. Anyway, Danny, we need one more thing from you.
What's up?
We just need you to rap it as loud as you can. That's
Off-road rap.
as
Off-road
loud as
rap.
you fucking can.
Scream.
That's a rap.
That's a wrap!
Should we help him? 3, 2, 1. That's a rap! You gonna clean it up for him?
Oh my god, it's stuck. You better get that off now.
Ew, you're nasty.
It's like a booger.